Hello, my name's Rhys. Today's Industry Insider is from Rockall Safety. Today we're joined by Becca. Becca, can you tell us a bit about yourself, please, and what you do here?
Yeah, of course. Hi everyone. Hi Rhys. So I'm Rebecca Dodds. I'm the marketing manager for the portable gas detection portfolio for the UK and Ireland part of the business. I've been with Dräger now for about 2 years, and before that I was with another gas detection company for around 12 years.
Could you tell us a bit about Dräger, please?
Yeah, of course. So we are a safety company, so we specialise in lots of different types of industrial and healthcare safety products. So we have 2 divisions, so you've got the safety division and then you've got the medical division also. And within that sort of portfolio you've got the portable gas detection systems, you've got fixed gas systems, you've got drug and alcohol testing, respiratory equipment, face masks and breathing apparatus.
Nice.
Lots going on.
So what do you love about your job?
So the thing I like the most is that I find it really rewarding. So what we do every single day is making sure that people go home to their families every single day, and that gives me job satisfaction.
So what is the biggest challenge in gas detection today?
So gas detection is a really hugely complex market with lots of different intricacies, and the thing that I like most about the way that we operate at Dräger is we sort of bridge the gap between safety and simplicity. That's something we do really well, and it sort of all fits in with our guiding philosophy of technology for life.
So what is one feature of your gas detectors that people often overlook?
I would say it's probably the open gap license. So that's a really powerful tool that enables people to connect the gas detectors with third-party software, so they can actually take the data from the gas detectors, the readings, the time-weighted average, all of that incredible data, and it would just streamline it to their other system.
What's the most unexpected place your gas detectors are being used?
Oh, there's lots. So our gas detectors are used in the CERN in Geneva, where the World Wide Web was invented. They're also used on board multiple submarines for submarine atmosphere monitoring. And also another cool one is the Red Bull Hangar 7. They use them in there as well.
Are there any upcoming products or developments that you'd like to share from Dräger?
Yeah, of course. So we've just recently launched our lone working solution. So we've actually partnered with a company called ANT Telecom and another company called AL Systems. So together we're bringing a new solution to market where you can use your existing Dräger gas detectors with their lone worker software. It's really simple to use, it's a really flexible system, and it's really cost effective.
So lastly, if you weren't in gas detection, what would you be doing at the moment?
Oh, that's an easy one. So I've always had a dream of going to the Amazon jungle and running like an eco-tourism site over there, and that stemmed from just like a VHS. Yes, VHS.
Yeah.
Do you even know what one of those
Yeah,
is?
just about.
A VHS that we watched in geography when I was doing my GCSEs, and ever since then I've been obsessed with the Amazon.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get over there.
Nice. Thank you very much for your time, Becca.
Thanks Rhys, thanks for coming. Now should we go get our curry?
Yeah, come on.